Housing. After Industrial Revolution, a lot of migrant population moved into London for employment, but the factory owners did not provide accommodation to its workers. They lived in cheap and unsafe houses. The well-off citizens wanted these slums to be removed. These overcrowded, poorly ventilated houses were considered to be health and fire hazards. To prevent rebellion by workers, mass housing schemes were planned for them. Cleaning London. Attempts were made to improve the landscape of the city by decongesting localities, building apartments and raising green patches. To avoid the pollution in congested cities, the affluent Londoners got holiday homes built in the countryside. Architect and planner Ebenezer Howard developed the principle of the garden city. Raymond Unwin and Barry Parker designed the garden city of New Earswick, taking cues from Howard's ideas. The city had common garden spaces and beautiful landscape. Unfortunately, only the rich could afford houses in this city. Meanwhile, suburbs had developed around London, making transport an absolute necessity. Transport in the city. The London Underground Railway solved the crisis of transportation. The first section of the Underground in the world opened on 10 January 1863 between Paddington and Farrington Street in London. It was constructed at the cost of destroying 900 houses and large-scale displacement of the poor. With the passage of time, the Underground gained popularity. It helped in dispersing the population. As a result, meticulously planned suburbs came up. Efficient railway network helped people travel comfortably to work and live in the suburbs.